Hi friends, today I'm going to be making Summer Festival Chilled Cucumber. It's been a while since we lost annual events like summer festivals. This is my favorite festival food that is refreshing and nutritious and of course low in calories. There are not many food good for your health that you can find at the festivals, but this is an exception. Japanese summer is hot and humid, as you know already. The cucumber cools your body temperature and regulates the body function. It's a handy food so the kids will love it, and if the kids don't like to eat the vegetables, this is a good start. And it could be a good side dish for summer barbecue. Let's get started. The ingredients are so simple. You will need cucumbers, half a teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 piece of chili pepper, and kombucha powder. This is not a fermented drink that is popular in the United States, but this is powdered Kombu Kelp. Usually we dissolve in hot water and enjoy tea time. It has a lot of umami to it and often uses as a seasonings. You can find kombucha at the Japanese grocery store, but you can replace it with dashi powder or a piece of dried Kombu Kelp. Rinse your cucumbers well under running cold water. Cut off both ends. Rub together to remove the bitterness. You can see white froth coming out from the cucumber, and this is the bitter component. Rinse one more time to remove the froth and press them on the cutting board. Peel the skin and rotate 180 degrees and peel. Rotate 90 degrees and peel. Rotate 180 degrees again and peel. And you have a striped cucumber, so the seasonings going through the cucumbers well. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt and rub it onto the cutting board. What this does is you are scratching the surface and the salt will penetrate into the cucumber so that you can shorten the time to marinate. Rub until the water coming out from the cucumber and a little flexible. Next, we are mixing the seasonings. Mix half a teaspoon of kombucha powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and the rest of the salt. Remove the seed from the red chili pepper. Put your prepared cucumber in a Ziploc bag and sprinkle seasonings. Toss in the bag and rub cucumbers from the outside until evenly coat with the seasonings. Put in the chili pepper. Remove as much air from the Ziploc bag and seal. Put it in a container and put the weight on it. Place a smaller container on the cucumber and fill the water. It doesn't have to be really heavy, but it gives the pressure evenly on the cucumber to get the cucumber evenly seasoned. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. If you are marinating overnight, you don't have to put the weight on it. After 4 hours of marinating, your cucumber look like this. A little bit flexible and soak up the umami from the kombucha. Stick chopsticks into it and there you have it. Your summer festival chilled cucumber is done. Serve chilled with ice cubes. Okay, let's give it a taste. Oh, it's heavy. I can feel the refreshing aroma from the cucumber, and kombucha adds the umami to it, and the subtle sweetness from the sugar brings out the umami even more and balance everything. I hope you will like it. Thank you for watching and I will see you next week. Bye!